Hey friends, my name is Coach Banji, and this was inspired by one or two of my clients that have come to me and just been fighting tightness and some pain through their hips, low back, kind of back glute, hip area. So these are just some things you can do when you've been sitting a lot. It's to kind of break it up. If you're struggling with some of that pain, I do recommend that if you are struggling with those pain issues, be sure to make those calls to your doctor and your physiotherapist, those people that can help diagnose the problem. But some of these might be something that you can try in the short term for some pain management. You're going to benefit from having a sturdy chair close by. And I like to do this in my kitchen. Imagine this is my countertop. Okay, so I have my kitchen counter and a sturdy chair. We're going to start off by doing a little hip opener. You're going to go open and close. Imagine there's a dog sleeping there, and you've got to step over the dog, and then you got to bring that foot back. Do that again with me. We're going to do 5. Good. 4. 3. Last 2. Got one more. Amazing. Let's try the other leg. I'm just going to move my chair over, standing up nice and tall, shoulders down and back. Here we go. We're going to go up and over the dog. Again, imagine that sleeping pet there. Let's do 5 more. 5. Good. 4. Just go to the range of motion that you can. Doesn't matter if it's as high as mine or not. 3. This is the ability to get in and out of cars, right? 2. Good. 1 more. Excellent. From here, standing behind your chair, you're going to take your feet wide apart like a giant straddle. Okay, I'll show you first this way, and then I'll show you at the chair. You're going to stick your bum back, bending one knee, coming back up, and switch. Hips back, bending that other knee, and coming back up. So it's a little bit of support. Again, feet wide. Here we go. Hips back, watching that the front knee stays behind the front toe. Good. We're going to go for 8. Just moving slow and steady. Stretching through our inner thighs on that straight leg here. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1 more. Amazing. Next up is a little hamstring stretch. You're going to tap one heel out and just brush down the leg. Then switch. Other heel out, toe up, brush down the leg. Let's try that together. Heel out, brush down, heel out, brush down. My supportive leg is a little bit bent. It's not locked out. Okay? But my straight leg is straight. Stretching, feeling that stretch to the back of the hamstrings. Let's try 6 more. 6. These hamstrings get tight with a lot of sitting. 4. 3. 2. 1 more. Amazing. Next up, you're going to use this chair. Make sure it's not going to go anywhere. Put it against something sturdy. Okay? We're going to do a version of a T-spine rotation. What on earth is that? Well, we're going to come down so our hands are flat on the chair, our shoulders are over the chair, and our feet are under our hips. From here, both knees are a little bit locked, and I'm just going to start to reach up, just to whatever point that I can. Getting a big stretch through this opening hip. Come back out, down, switch sides. Good. Do that with me. Let's go for 8. Slow and controlled. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. Last 2. 1 more. Good. And gently roll yourself up. Amazing. Good. From here, you're going to come to seated on that chair. All right. Now, as best you can, you're going to bring one leg up as high as you can get it, bringing it up onto that knee if you're able. You're going to sit tall through your spine and gently lean forward, feeling that stretch through that outer hip. Okay. If you are not able to get your ankle up on your knee, well, you might just do it with crossed legs, and that's okay. You can still get a stretch there. Or you might just do it with you grabbing onto a pant leg and getting a stretch there. But if you're able, you can slowly work up to this position. Good. Relax, switch feet. Again, you could come down, up, up, sitting nice and tall, gently lean forward. Good. Great stretch to do when you've been doing a lot of sitting. Help stretch out those hips. Next, we're going to come to a cat-cow at the chair. So again, make sure your chair's not going to go anywhere. Hands right under the shoulders, knees right under the hips. You're going to drop your belly down. All right, drop your belly. Then you're going to arch your back up like you're trying to get your belly button as far away from the floor as possible. And then you're going to drop your belly. And then you're going to arch. This is called a modified cat-cow without getting onto the floor. Good, let's try for 4 more. 4. And drop. 3. And drop. 2. Good, 1 more. And drop. Excellent. Coming to the back of that chair or your countertop. I'm going to demo this at the countertop for this one. Okay, hands on the countertop. One foot is kind of right at the base of your cabinets, and you're going to press the other leg back. This front knee should be bent, but stacked right over the heel. The focus here is not to press forward. It's actually to push down through the back heel. And we're getting a big stretch through the calf. You might even feel it through the front hip, depending on how tight you are. Hold. Good. Switching legs. Other side. Again, focus is not to press forward. It's actually to press back. You can see I'm staying fairly tall in my posture. My shoulders are over my hips. Good. And coming on up, you're going to do a couple big shoulder rolls for me. Gently take those hands behind you, little tiny lift. When we've been sitting a lot, our posture can start to really curve forward. This is a great chest opener. Good, now you're going to take your hands out in front, round out that upper back, drop your head down. Good. Take a deep breath in for me. And breathe out. One more time, breathe in. And out. Amazing. Give yourself a pat on the back, my friends. If you enjoyed that, if that was helpful, please post in the comments, share it with a friend, and I will see you next time.